Namaste friends, welcome back to PaviTech. In this video, I am going to show you guys how you can publicly save your projects in GitHub repository. It is a simple and basic project. All you have to do is enable a few buttons inside Android Studio and push the code inside repository that you have created. So let's get started. First, open your browser and open this website. Git is usually used to handle projects from small scale to large scale projects. Git is used for version control, and what will happen is if you create application, you can save those versions of application. Then further you go on upgrading, or it can be used to download the previous version that you have saved. Download the Git from website, or the link is given in the description. Now I have downloaded and installed it in my PC. It is a basic procedure. You can do it on your own. Once you install Git, next you have to do is open the GitHub. If you don't have an account, you can simply sign up easily. Once you have created an account, you have to create a new repository. So just hit on new repository and give the name to the repository. So my code is basically of send SMS. So I have created a send SMS earlier and the link is given in the description of the video. So I will give the name of the repository as send SMS. So once you have given the name, you can add the description to the code. It is optional. It is left to you. You can either add or left it as it is and keep it public or private. So I will go with public and click on create repository. So empty project with a name send SMS has been created. Go to Android Studio and you have to check it does not have any errors and it is working perfectly fine. Go to VCS and click on enable version control integration and here select a version control system to associate with send SMS. So here you need to select the option Git and click on OK. And now here you can see with two more buttons and one is to update the project and one more is to commit and one is to push your project. All files got red here because all these are not added in the Git. As you can see here, all files are turned into red color. Why? Because they are not added inside the Git. Now go to project, click on project, and here click right, and you will see an option here, Git. Now there are three things that which we are going to do. First one is add the file to the Git, and second one is commit the directory, and third we are going to push the code inside the repository. So first we will add, click on add, and you can see here all the files have turned into green color. And next again click on right button, go to Git option, and now you need to commit the directory. So click on commit directory. Commit means something like uh, you commit your project here and you go ahead and add more changes in your code, and due to some errors the code does not work anymore. So what we will do is you will go back to the commit. You can download all the files there and start again from the step. So here you can name the version of commit. So I will give it as final commit. So as it is my final version, I will give it as final commit. Press on commit. So it will show you some basic warnings and errors here. Warnings are hard coded text, but still your code will work fine. You can ignore this. There is a difference between warnings and errors. If you have any errors, don't go ahead. Warnings are okay, you can go ahead. So just click on commit anyway. So once commit is done, last thing you have to do is you have to push the code into repository in GitHub. For that, right click, go to Git option, and here you will find the push button. So click on push and click on define remote. It will ask for URL of the repository. So it will ask for the URL of the repository. Go back to the GitHub, copy this location, open your Android Studio and paste the location. Click on OK. So as you can see, with the name final commit and all the files are loaded. Click on push. So as you can see the message, pushed master to new branch origin. So the code is successfully pushed to the repository in GitHub. So go back to the GitHub, refresh the page. So here is your code with one commit. So as you can see, it is showing one commit 2 minutes ago with the final commit. So you can also download the code here. You can either open it from GitHub desktop or you can open it in the zip file. So this is the basic procedure to add your project on GitHub. So this was all about today's video, how to add your project into the GitHub. So if you are happy with my video, please give the like to the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.